Masayang morning, Batang Mandunong, and to all our home learning partners. Welcome to Project E-Dream, Division Remediation and Enhancement of Aptitude in Mathematics through e-learning. This is Teacher Thielen, a teacher from Plainview Elementary School. I will be discussing estimating the products of decimal numbers with reasonable results, solving routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication without or with addition or subtraction of decimals and whole numbers, including money, using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. In Mathematics 5, Quarter 2, Week 5. Are you ready? Let's start! At the end of the learning episode, you are expected to estimate the products of decimal numbers with reasonable results, solves routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication without or with addition or subtraction of decimal and whole numbers, including money, using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. Before we start, let us first know the meaning of the different terms we are going to use in this lesson. Product. It is the result of multiplication or an expression that identifies factors to be multiplied. Decimal number. A number whose whole number part and the fractional part is separated by a decimal point. Estimate. Finding the value that is close enough to the right answer or amount.
The approximate symbol is used to indicate an estimate.
Here's a recap of our lesson about rounding off numbers. 6 and 37/100ths is approximately equal to what number? 6 is the whole number or the rounding number, while 3 and 7 are decimal numbers. The highest place value, which is the rounding place, is 6. To round it off, look at the digit on the right side of the rounding place. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you are going to round it up, meaning you will add 1 to the digit in the rounding place. But if the digit on the right side of the rounding place is 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, you will round it down, which means you will drop all digits after the rounding place.
So, 6 and 37/100ths is approximately equal to 6. To round off the following decimal numbers, 29 and 81/100ths is approximately equal to 30. 183 and 25/100ths is approximately equal to 200.
This time, let us discuss our first topic, which is all about estimating the products of decimal numbers with reasonable results. Estimating the product of decimal numbers is very useful. It can save the time as you give an immediate response that is close to the exact answer. Let us try to answer this problem. John bought 5.5 kilos of rice at 43 pesos and 75 centavos per kilo. About how much would he spend for the rice? About how much indicates to estimate. So, in this problem, we are going to estimate the amount of money spent by John for the rice. 5 and 5/10ths or 5.5 and 43 and 75/100ths or 43 pesos and 75 centavos are the given facts. To find a reasonable estimate using decimal numbers,
round the decimal to the nearest whole number. Remember to look at the number in the tens place. In the problem given, to find the estimated money John spent for the rice, let us first round off the factors. So, 43 and 75 hundredths is approximately equal to 44, while 5 and 50 hundredths is approximately equal to 6. After estimating the factors to be multiplied, start multiplying. 4 times 6 equals 24. So 4 carry 2. 4 times 6 is equal to 24 plus carry 2 is equal to 26. So the product is 264, which means John spent about 264 pesos for 5.5 kilos of rice. Let's have another example. Estimate the product of decimal numbers to the nearest whole number of 88 and 49 hundredths times 37 and 89 hundredths. Let us follow the steps given. First, round off the decimals to the nearest whole number. So, 88 and 49 hundredths is approximately equal to 88, and 37 and 89 hundredths is approximately equal to 38. Next step is to find the product. So we are going to multiply 88 times 38. So 88 times 38 is equal to 3,344. So the estimated product of 88 and 49 hundredths and 37 and 89 hundredths is 3,344. We have here another example. Estimate the product of decimal numbers to the nearest whole number of 63 and 79 hundredths and 27 and 35 hundredths. Again, round off the decimal numbers to the nearest whole number. So 63 and 79 hundredths is approximately equal to 64. And 27 and 35 hundredths is approximately equal to 27. Next step is to find the products of the rounded factors. So, 64 times 27 is equal to 1,608. The estimated product of 63 and 79 hundredths and 27 and 35 hundredths is 1,608. This time, here's another problem which will show us on how to find the reasonable estimate of decimal numbers by rounding the factors to the greatest place value. About how far did Mark travel on one full tank of gas if his tank holds 14 and 32 hundredths gallons and his car gets 27 and 50 hundredths miles per gallon on the highway? About how far indicates to estimate. In this problem, we need to estimate the product. The given facts are 14 and 32 hundredths or 14.32 and 27 and 50 hundredths or 27.50. To find a reasonable estimate using decimal numbers, round the factors to the greatest place value. In 14 and 32 hundredths, the greatest place value is the tens place, which is 1, while in 27 and 50 hundredths, the greatest place value is also at the tens place, which is 2. So, 14 and 32 hundredths is approximately equal to 10, while 27 and 50 hundredths is approximately equal to 30. So, 10 times 30 is 300. So the distance that Trey can travel in one full tank is about 300 miles. Let us have another example of estimating the decimal numbers to the greatest place value. Let us find the estimated product of 86 and 67 hundredths multiplied by 52 and 34 hundredths. We have to follow the following steps. First, round the factors to the greatest place value. So, 86 and 67 hundredths is approximately equal to 90. And 52 and 34 hundredths is approximately equal to 50. After rounding off the factors, let us do the next step, which is multiplying the rounded factors. So, 90 multiplied by 50 is equal to 4,500. So, the estimated product of 86 and 67 hundredths and 52 and 34 hundredths to the greatest place value is 4,500. We have here another example. Estimate the product of decimal numbers to the greatest place value of 153 and 68 hundredths and 103 and 42 hundredths. Again, you have to round off the factors to the greatest place value. So 153 and 68 hundredths is approximately equal to 200, and 103 and 42 hundredths is approximately equal to 100. We can now multiply the estimated factors. 200 multiplied by 100 is equal to 20,000. So the estimated products of 153 and 68 hundredths and 103 and 42 hundredths to the greatest place value is 20,000. This time, try to answer the following. Estimate the product of decimal numbers to the nearest whole number. 5 and 39 hundredths times 8 and 91 hundredths is approximately equal to what number? You are correct! 45. 3 and 94 hundredths times 63 and 78 hundredths is approximately equal to what number? You are right! 256. How about this one, kids? Estimate the product of decimal numbers to the greatest place value.
5 and 91 hundredths
Multiplied by 59 and 38 hundredths is approximately equal to what number? Correct! 360. 38 and 2/10 multiplied by 82 and 30 hundredths is approximately equal to what number? You are right! 3,200. Let us proceed to our next topic, solving routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication without or with addition or subtraction of decimals and whole numbers, including money, using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. This time, let's try to answer this routine problem. A shoe store sells different kinds of shoes. One day, it sold 20 pairs of sneakers at 349 pesos and 95 centavos a pair. How much was the total sales for the sneakers? Before solving, let us first understand the problem. Know first what is being asked. In this problem, we are looking for the total sales of sneakers. The next step is to know the given facts. So, the given facts in the problem are
20 pairs of sneakers
and 349 pesos and 95 centavos. After understanding the problem, let us plan. What operation are we going to use in solving the problem? In this problem, we are going to multiply. If you know the operation to be used, you can now create the number sentence. So the number sentence is 349 pesos and 95 centavos times 20 is equal to n. You are now ready to solve the problem. 349 pesos and 95 centavos times 20. Any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So let us continue multiplying. 2 times 5 equals 10. So 0 carry 1. 2 times 9 is equal to 18 plus carry 1 equals 19. So 9 carry 1. 2 times 9 is equal to 18 plus carry 1 is equal to 19. So 9 carry 1. 2 times 4 is equal to 8 plus 1 equals 9. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then add. So the total sales for the sneakers is 6,999 pesos. Let us check if our answer is correct by using estimation. Round off first the factors. So, 349 pesos and 95 centavos is approximately equal to 350. And 20 is also 20. Next step is to multiply the rounded factors. So, 350 times 20 is equal to 7,000. As we can see, the total sale of sneakers, which is 6,999, is very close to the estimated product, which is 7,000, meaning 6,999 is approximately equal to 7,000, which means our answer is correct.
Here's a problem showing a non-routine problem. Lady bought 6 boxes of face masks and 5 face shields for 30 pesos and 25 centavos and 35 pesos and 75 centavos respectively. How much change did she get from her 500 peso bill? To solve the problem, let us first understand it. What is being asked in the problem? In this problem, we are looking for the change lady will get from her 500 peso bill. Next, we should also know the given facts. So in this problem, the given facts are 6 boxes of face masks, 30 pesos and 25 centavos per box, 5 face shields, 35 pesos and 75 centavos each, and 500 peso bill.
After understanding the problem, you have to make a plan. Make a diagram of the given fact. So we have here 500 peso bill, the 6 boxes of face masks at 30 pesos and 25 centavos, and 5 face shields at 35 pesos and 75 centavos. That's the time you can easily solve the problem. We have here the 500 peso bill. The total amount lady spent for the 6 boxes of face masks at 30 pesos and 25 centavos per box, which is 181 pesos and 50 centavos. The amount she spent for 5 face shields at 35 pesos and 75 centavos each, which is 178 pesos and 75 centavos. So our number sentence is 500 pesos minus 181 pesos and 50 centavos plus 178 pesos and 75 centavos equals N. Let's start solving. 500 minus the total amount lady spent for face masks and face shields equals 139 pesos and 75 centavos. Therefore, in this problem, lady's change is 139 pesos and 75 centavos.
And this is where we end our lesson in Mathematics 5, Quarter 2, Week 5. I hope you learned something from today's lesson. Happy learning, everyone! Bye!
Halina, halina, mag-aral na tayo.